A creepy mansion. Here is Wild Bill Hiccup.
Guess who? A horse with a gallop, of course, and we ride on our way where the antelope play. Well, he could have said, "Excuse me for knocking you down."
Excuse me for knocking you down. Here, you can have the deed to my house. It's haunted by the ghost of Wild Bill Hiccup. I'm leaving.
Look, Sugarfoot, he gave us the deed to his house.
The old-timer gave the deed to that woodpecker. I gotta get that deed, and then this place will be mine. They're coming in. I'll haunt this place and drive them away, too, or my name ain't Wild Bill Hiccup. Doggone, I still hiccup. Can't say my name without hiccup, 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 hiccup. I needed that.
Make yourself at home, Sugarfoot. It's all ours.
They're downstairs now. I better get to work.
Now, don't worry about a thing, Sugarfoot. There's no such thing as a ghost. Cut it out, Sugarfoot. I told you there's no ghost. That was probably just the wind. I hope. Come on, let's look around. It was just a mouse. Is that what the old-timer was scared of? Who's afraid of a little tiny ghost like that?
This is the old vacuum cleaner trick. It always works.
Go away, you ghost.
This is fun.
That was just our imagination. Don't you think so, Sugarfoot?
This'll scare the living daylights out of them scaredy cats.
Come on, Sugarfoot. Let's explore our new house.
Yahoo! Yahoo! I'm the ghost rider in the sky! Whoa!
Are you the ghost of Wild Bill Hiccup?
Don't say it! Don't say Hiccup! No!
Hiccup, 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 hiccup,
Whoa! Whoa!
Did you see that? He ain't no ghost.
Them pesky critters has got to go.
Imagine that guy trying to scare us away. Well, I can do a little hunting myself.
That dumb woodpecker thinks he can fool me.
What are you doing there, Mr. Ghost?
I'm
Sugarfoot, help!
Stop it! Stop the music! Now I'm mad. Ooh, I'm burning up. When I catch that bird, he'll be sorry he tangled with Wild Bill. Boy, that was a close one. Aha! I got you this time, Woodpecker. Where are you?
I got something for you, Mr. Wild Bill Hiccup.
Don't say that word.